Hello everyone, it's me Sam, and today I'm actually making the second fan video for today. Okay, so this fan right here is a Hampton Bay Farmington, and it's between the rooms with it's in the rooms with the same fitted to the Huntington and the Middleton. Anyway, here's the fan running. So here's Lil. There's the Huntington. Hope we can hear it. Wait, but can you hear it? Kind of. Can you hear that? If you don't know where that sound is coming from, it's coming from the Huntington. But actually, I don't know if that's a Huntington. But they, whatever. Anyway, so here's medium. Here's the top view. Okay, so here's high. This fan blows some good air. Gotta admit. Shut up, Huntington. Here's another top view. Okay. Anyway, so here's off. Man, this fan is really hard to reach. I can reach it, but it is it's a bit hard to reach it. There's Bella. Hey, Bella. And if you're wondering why she's wearing that, it's because she lost her collar. So now she has to wear that. Maybe in some of my ceiling fan videos, I'm probably not going to do a commentary on them. Also, if I probably haven't told you, this fan actually replaced another ceiling fan, but I forgot the name of it. I did know what it looked like, so. There isn't the Huntington again. Also, if you guys are wondering what happened to its light chain, so my cousin was kind of pulling on it, but she pulled on it too hard that the chain fell off. I think that's what happened, but I don't know. That's what my uncle told me. Okay, so Huntington's slowing down. Okay, I think it's slowed down now. Anyway, so that's it for this video, and I might make another fan video today, but I don't know which one. Could it be Could it either be Oh, Bella's following me. Could it either be these two? Or the Huntington? Or the Grayton 2? Well, I'll have to think about it. Okay, there's Bella. Okay, see you in the next fan video.